Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a sneaker surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our sneaker surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to begin by taking my paper and folding it in half just like I'm making a birthday card. So line up those corners, give it a nice little fold right down the middle. Next, you want to take this and you want to fold it in half one more time and then give it another fold. So it's kind of like a bookmark. Now, when you open it up, you can open it up like this, or you can open it up like this. And you have these three lines in here that serve as great guidelines for the inside of your picture. Now, to start off with this, let's begin right over here, and we're going to make a little line that's just going to come up. Next, we're going to bring this line up here. And then right about here, let's add a couple oval shapes. So I'm going to make an oval here. We'll make one here. Do another one here. We'll do one here. And let's go ahead and make 5 of them. So we'll do one right here. Those are going to be our little shoelaces. Then let's go ahead and draw a line in between each one, kind of a little bit more towards the top. Now I'm going to take this line and I'm going to go up, and then we're going to come right over here. Next I'm going to take this line and I'm going to bring it straight down like this. And if it curves a little bit, that looks even better. Now, starting right up here, let's make a line that goes up, and that's going to come down. That's for like the tongue of the shoe. And we'll make a little line that goes up and down back here. Now let's go ahead and draw the bottom. So we're going to line this up, we're going to come down, and we're going to bring this across, and then we're going to come up. Now, starting right here, let's just go ahead and draw a line across for the bottom of our sneaker. And then right here, let's go ahead and draw a line that's going to go down, and then we'll come up to here. Now, starting here, let's make kind of like a wavy line for something a little bit more detailed on there, right around our shoelaces. And then right here, let's make another line. We're going to go over, and then when I get to about here, let's bring it up a little bit higher. Now right here, we're going to start, and we're going to draw up to the fold, and then we'll make a line that comes up here. And then right here we'll make a line that comes down, and let's make another line that comes down over here. Then starting here, we'll draw a line that comes down, and then right up here we'll make a little line that comes across. And then I like to go right along the bottom. I like to add a couple little lines right across here. I should say more than a couple. And this just kind of adds a little bit of detail on the bottom of our sneaker. So now we have our sneaker all drawn out. Now we want to open this up. Once we have our shoe opened, we have a top half and a bottom half, and now we want to add all the fun stuff on the inside. So let's go ahead and begin by connecting this line. I'm going to go ahead and just draw a nice straight line, best I can, from one to the next. And then right here, I'm going to bring this line down and in, and I'm going to bring this line up and in. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come across, and we're going to bring it right up here to like a smile almost. And then I'm going to bring this line down here, and we're going to connect it to this. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down, and then I'm going to bring this across again. And I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to go up, though, and then we'll bring this across. Then we're going to put some teeth in here. So I'm going to put some sharp teeth in here. We're going to go all the way across. And then let's do the same thing here. Let's put some sharp teeth all the way across on here. You can make them different sizes or all the same size, totally up to you. Now let's connect some of these lines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this line down a little bit, and then I'm going to bring this line up. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to bring this line up, and then we're going to bring this line up. Then I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to go ahead and bring this line down too. Now, one of the things I want to do is I want to give him a tongue, but let's make it out of a shoelace. So I'm going to go ahead, and we're going to make a wavy, long, kind of crazy tongue. And then we'll redraw that line, and we're just going to kind of follow that same shape. And I like to go on all these curves, just add a little extra line for some detail. And then we'll make a little skinny rectangular shape at the end. And then I'm also going to go, starting here, let's draw a little line that comes down past our tongue to here. And let's draw another one right here. That way it just kind of looks like the shoe has like the other side of the mouth over there. It gives it a little bit more detail. And once you're all done, you have your basketball shoe or sneaker or whatever shoe surprise fold. Now, when you have it all folded up, you have a normal shoe. And then when you open it up, it's got a big crazy mouth with sharp teeth and that really long kind of shoelace tongue coming out of there. And there's all sorts of fun things you could always do. You could add extra details, you could put your own shoe symbol on here, or even make your own. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.